We are learning new information tonight. A recently released study shows an increase in tornado activity here in Tennessee, up 36% over the last decade. Better radar and computer technology have made forecasting and pinpointing storm cells more accurate. Social media has also helped forecasters at the National Weather Service confirm tornadoes faster.
One place where we have seen a rapid increase in tornadoes is the EF0, EF1 tornadoes. So the tornadoes with wind speeds less than 110 miles per hour. We've seen a lot more of those in the last decade, and that's thanks to social media damage reports and dual pole radar, helping us pick out these potential tornadoes on radar.
Now, there have been no significant increases in violent tornado outbreaks like the ones we saw here in March of 2020. A reminder, though, tornadoes can happen anytime here in Middle Tennessee, so stay weather aware by downloading the News 2 weather app.